Butterfly PT just starting to come in now from spring, and it's gonna slowly start and then it's gonna be filled. I let it grow naturally. I feel that it's more happy and I get a better yield from it. There's 1 bushel here. If you go down just a little bit, that's a starfruit tree. Here's some more that I let it grow naturally and wildly. See? Look how pretty. Here's another bushel with the papaya tree. She likes to climb the butterfly PT, so I leave all the vine there so she could go ahead and start climbing up. Pretty soon this is going to be all filled with. So this is a turmeric leaf, and then there she is. See how she's climbing? And then this here is purple yam or ube, and then also in the lemongrass as well. And here's another one. Pretty soon this will be all filled with blue butterfly PT. It's going to be so pretty. And look at my blackberry.